Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all for always coming around to watch your girl. I appreciate each and every one of you a lot. And if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and do consider subscribing on your way out. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a party momo and the okporoko, which is stockfish. So stick with me, let's dive into this video. So these are the local spices. I'm going to blend it very well and put it inside the momo, and I'm gonna cook the momo for complete 30 minutes or until all the momo are soft enough. So one thing about making party food or party, whatever that you are making, you have to make all the spices or ingredients to be compatible, to blend together, because number A might like what number B doesn't like. Okay, so these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I had fresh tomatoes, so I'm going to cook these fresh tomatoes for 10 minutes. So these are the bell peppers and onion. These are all the seasonings. So I'm going to fry it for more 5 minutes. So these are the scotch bonnet pepper. So if you're preparing any ceremony or any party, feel free to contact us. We are going to deliver to your doorstep. We are at your service at any time. So our party momo and the stockfish is ready. If I've watched this point, thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching my video for the first time, you are highly welcome, and do consider subscribing. Do consider clicking that red button and be a part of my family. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time in my next video. Keep watching Choose Delish Kitchen. Bye for now. Ciao.